In the famous words of Cousin Eddie, it's a beaut. Behind me is a previously enjoyed 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We gotta check this one out. Exterior stuff, there's a lot to cover. Some of it's really intriguing, some of it's boring. So make sure you stick with us all the way through to see it all. Starting with patio time, we're gonna have our exterior TV to be able to catch up on all that entertainment viewing that we desperately have to catch. And of course, patio time wouldn't be a cool thing without a cooler, a slide out cooler, freezer, however you wanna make it. And of course, this big coach has tons of storage capacity, not only the inside, not only just the weight, but on this outside. And Newmar's got you really conveniently covered. We have 1, 2, 3 main compartment areas with slide out trays that makes grabbing that components or those items down back far real easy. We're here on the driver's side and all that storage continues. As I showed you with that pull-out tray on the other side, on a couple of the mid-coach ones, the tray goes from both sides so that any of those components or items way far deep, regardless of what side you are, you're gonna be able to easily grab them. And Newmar has a lot of the utility stuff really nicely compacted here. We have our big 50 amp cable on a reel that all you have to do is push a button. And all those wonderful water and nasty sewer stuff. Check this out. Newmar's done a great job not only just compacting it all in one location, but really nicely labeling it. As we're going through the outside, you might be thinking, man, Mikey B, this thing is huge, it's intimidating. Trust me, when you get on the open road, this thing is gonna drive like a dream. We have a big heavy duty chassis that's with air ride suspension. It's gonna ride smooth just from the get-go. But with that tag axle, it adds all that more stability and comfort when you're driving. Newmar even has a steering application that just makes it so easy you can drive it with a finger. And by the way, all that power behind us is powered by a Cummins 8.9 liter, 450 horsepower, but here's the kicker, 1,250 pounds of torque. Oh, that is so much that you'll be able to not only just drive up those high elevations, but you also have almost, I think, 15,000 pounds of towing capacity as well. And that's on top of the 10,000 plus cargo capacity that you have in the coach. And by the way, safety, this thing's got you covered. We have side cameras, back camera, front camera for a full 360-degree view. Walking into this coach, I feel like royalty. Just magnificent appointments, tons of features, just a beautiful look. Let's go through all those features. There's a lot. Make sure you stick with us. In the kitchen, you're definitely going to see Newmar's quality. We have really finely curved in-house countertops. All the cabinetry is done in-house. For example, in the upper here, we have a pull-out drawer within the upper cabinet. Never see that. Below the 2-bowl deep sink setup, we have even 2 pull-out drawers underneath there. As far as all your cooking is done, it's going underneath these countertop covers. You have a 2-burner induction stovetop, a big wide convection microwave in case the stovetop doesn't do enough. And of course, when all that cooking is done, we have our dishwasher ready to go. Off to the side of that is a really nice cool counter extension that pulls out. It just give you a little bit more prep area as if all this space isn't enough. And it's also integrated with 2 drawers for all those wonderful kitchen utensils. Opposite of our kitchen, again, that quality or ingenuity, whatever you want to call it, is continued with like a simple pantry design. My gosh, you open up this pantry, we have 6 pull-out drawers to be able to stack all our stuff. Whirlpool double door refrigerator with a big freezer door underneath. And then moving up to our mealtime, a very cozy 2-person dinette. But don't worry, Newmar's got you covered. This pulls out for a big extension. drop in those extra leaves for the matching tabletop and the 2 fold-up doors, or doors, the chairs. Now we have a dinette set for 4. Inside this living kind of section of this coach, we have 2 opposing seating areas. My gosh, it is really comfortable. These theater seating parts are super wide. As you guys can see, I'm actually at a 45. Very soft leather. Of course, we've got a recliner theater seating here at our fingertips. Got tons of storage underneath here. My gosh, it is so big. I could probably fit tons of my candy or my munchies in here. To the right of me or to your left, we're gonna have a lot of these controls. Every section has a push button light controls that will be able to control not only just on and off, but also the dimming. And then behind me here is of course our switch here. Opposite of the theater seating is a televator, as we call it in our business, a TV that raises that we can stow that when we don't need it. But hey, morning coffee, catching up on the weather or the news, or movie time in the evening. Super awesome view angle, lift my feet, boom, I've got the TV right in front of me. And along with the light controls, this coach has power sun visors and knockout shades. You'll have a remote control that you can simply just push the button. So once upon a time, I had a customer that said, Mikey B, I want an RV that entertains 6, dinner for 4, and sleeps only 2. You get the gist? Well, I'm gonna have to be the bearer of bad news. This coach actually is very comfortable, can easily sit more than 6. Definitely you're gonna have dinner for 4, and unfortunately you can sleep more than 2. How are you gonna get that? This coach, or this couch here, is definitely probably can seat comfortably 3, but it also pulls out to sleep just a couple extra in case you need it. But maybe don't promote it, and that way you can keep this coach really sleeping 2 and get a good night's sleep. But behind me, as I mentioned, we have the televator that comes up. We get the TV in perfect viewing angle of the 2 theater seats. And above me is some cabinetry, but just a note, we do have an entertainment cabinet that you can store any of your entertainment devices. Before getting to the back half of the coach, midship, we do have a half bathroom. It's got a very nice vanity set up with some storage, cabinetry above the toilet, and of course a window just in case with an exhaust fan if you need to circulate some air. Getting into the back half of the coach, we have our master bedroom. Very large king size bed with tons of windows both at the head as well as the side of the both sides of the bed. Plenty of cabinetry above. We've got some of our storage underneath that is accessible when you lift up the mattress. That's where you're going to stow your 2 folding chairs for the dinette as well as those that table extension. At the foot of the bed or opposite of the bed, tons of storage. We have what it looks like 6 dresser drawers, some counter space, shirt closets on both left and right side of the TV. And again, the TV is in great viewing angle right to the bed. And finally, in the rear of the coach is your master bathroom. It is a big bathroom setup that you're going to enjoy. Of course, immediately right inside the door is conveniently located a washer and dryer stackable units. Of course, we have our double vanity, so that way nobody's fighting over the sink or mirror space to do up your hair. But it's a really big, well-lit mirror here. Got plenty of storage underneath both of the bathroom sinks with some center drawers to throw some of your toiletries. Opposite of that is going to be your, of course, your toilet. But man, this shower is beautiful. It is huge. Definitely got plenty of elbow space. We even have a seat just in case you need to wash up them feet or anything else. And in the very back is tons of wardrobe space. We've got safe, we've got hanging closet space. We have even a little bit of shelving just to throw those last little clothing items away. All right, up front, as you can see, the driver and passenger seats quickly rotate around so you can integrate more company vibe that you may have for happy hour or entertaining some guests. But getting into this cockpit area at first glance might be a little overwhelming. Tons of controls. We're gonna have, as you saw earlier, we have remotes for the visors. We have buttons all over the place for the lighting controls. Heck, this thing even has heated floors that you can control both in the bathroom and up front. But in the cockpit area, trust me, with the great education that we provide with you, all these buttons, for example, the visors, the generator start and stop, it's gonna quickly make sense, as well as the overhead buttons. Again, there's tons of controls there, but it's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy once you get it down, like the Oasis hydronic heating system, the slide out buttons, the Girard awnings, the window awnings, all of it is going to quickly make sense. Trust me, all you got to do is get on the road and get to a campground. There you have it, a beautiful previously enjoyed coach. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. Again, 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 with all the wonderful features and beautiful appointments. Hope you, again, enjoyed the video. Comment below, love to hear your impressions. There's a lot of stuff, I'm sure there's details. I'd love to get some answers to your questions. And everybody, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.